Hi guys, I got a new package in by KW Automotive, and what is in there is actually something that is not from KW. It's very dangerous, as you can see, and it's another set of wheel spacers by ST Suspensions. I don't know if you know this brand. This is a sub-brand of KW. It's like a more budget-friendly line that they have. And my coilovers are actually by ST. And today I'm unboxing this pair of spacers with a center bore of 45.1 and a total of 40 millimeters per axle. And these are let's say a very basic slip-on type spacer, which they call the D2 system. And the reason I bought this is actually quite simple. If you follow this channel, you probably saw that I have another pair of spacers already by Blocks Racing, which is a Chinese brand, and that is all fun and games, but it would probably be a better idea to have such a critical part from a decent brand that is not only saying they know what they're doing, but also has the right certifications, which is the case obviously for KW, but also ST, their sub-brand. So these are the ones, and they feel pretty good. They look super nicely machined. And obviously the center bore is matching my 2008 Suzuki Swift. I have a non-sport of 1.5, which means that I have a 4x100 pattern for the wheels. And I must say that I'm a little bit surprised by the type of holes that are in here. I'm not directly seeing which one I should be using. Probably this one, this one, this one, and this one, I guess, but we'll see that when I put them on the car. And these should widen my axle by 40 millimeters or 20 millimeters per wheel. So I got the longer bolts in place already, and I just wanted to see what the difference would be between the Blocks Racing ones from China and these for, let's say, from a proper brand. I must say this lip is looking really good. It's looking nice and long, which is great. Yeah, basically this is it. Obviously I have two of them. I have the other two that the Blocks Racing ones are already mounted up front, and I decided to go for these for the rear. So let's see how they fit, and I will show you guys that in the next video. Keep following, keep subscribing. I see that I'm slowly getting more subscribers. That's super well appreciated. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you on the next one.